Hey there. If your iPhone's dial pad isn't working during phone calls and you're seeing it gray out or not showing up at all, don't worry. I've got some quick fixes to help you out. Let's dive in and get that dial pad working again. Solution 1. Remove third-party dialer and use Apple's dialer. If you have a third-party dialer installed on your iPhone, we recommend removing it. After removing the third-party dialer, restart your iPhone. If you didn't have any third-party dialer or the problem persists, move on to the next solutions. Solution 2. Turn off dialer reactions. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you find Screen Time and tap on it. Scroll down again. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle the feature off to disable dialer reactions. Solution 3. Update your dialer app. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and choose Software Update. Try to update your software if an update is available. If there's no update, go back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then reset all settings. This will only reset your network settings and won't delete your data, but it will restore your settings to their default state. After completing these steps, the dial pad issue should be resolved. If you still have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.